This is In the Wild with Chris. Me and my wife, we just got ourselves a new tent. This is the Urberg 2-person dome tent. And our main goal is to use it for hiking, and for me myself to use it when I go solo camping. It's quite lightweight, 2,900 grams. Now I'm going to go through the features of this tent, set it up and have a look inside and try it out. With the tent you get the stuff sack with instructions sewn on the inside. There's a small repair kit. There are 13 Y-shaped tent pegs, 2 long tent poles and a smaller. You have the inner tent with the floor attached and the rain fly. The water resistance is 3,000 millimeters on the rain fly and 10,000 millimeters on the floor. The outer measurements are 240 centimeters in length, 270 centimeters in width, and 125 centimeters high. There are 2 flaps for ventilation that can be closed or open on the rain fly. The floor is bathtub shaped and goes up about 15 centimeters from the ground, giving you added protection from ground moisture. The tent's got 2 doors, one on each side, as well as vestibules. The doors have mosquito nettings. The vestibules aren't very big, but enough to protect your gear if it isn't raining too hard. On the inside, it's 230 centimeters in length, 138 centimeters width, and the ceiling is at 117 centimeters. There are mesh pockets at your head and feet, as well as a detachable mesh shelf in the ceiling. So, time to try out the tent. It's a few degrees above freezing. Nice and clear night here. I did not bring my little candle lantern this time because I want to see what kind of condensation we get with this, with the ventilation we have on it. But well, time to crawl in and go to sleep. Well, so now I just spent my first night in this tent. It's roomier than I thought it would be. I thought a 2-person tent would be really cramped. Well, now I'm by myself and I've got lots of space here. What are the pros and cons with this tent? Well, the con is that the rain fly doesn't go all the way down to the ground. Makes it easier for the wind or rain to get in. But that's the only con that I can find. The pros, it's lightweight, it's very easy and quick to set up. It's got a small footprint, making it easier to find a spot. And it's roomier than I thought it would be. And also after night, I don't know, it could be that the conditions are perfect, but there is no condensation on the inside. Is the ventilation that good, or is it just the conditions that are right? But anyway, I'm very happy with this buy, and I'm going to find a lot of use for this tent. So this is a Urberg 2-person dome tent. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.